Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll try to learn how to format a thesis paper. So in right side, a published thesis paper published by Mahmudul Hassan Bhai at Kolkata University of Engineering and Technology. So let's see this thesis paper. Basically, you can say there are three section or three part in a thesis paper. This is the first page or the title of title. You can say title page. In title page, there is no page number. From the declaration section to the nomenclature or abbreviation portion, there is a page number in Roman number. And after nomenclature, I mean from the introduction section to the last page of any thesis paper, the page number way is you have to use the numerical value for setting page number. So you can say there are three part. So in first page there is no page number. Middle portion page number in Roman number, and the last portion is in numerical value for giving page number. So here is one. Let's say this is our thesis paper. This name of paper or the basic information I took from the paper that I already the paper that already you've seen right now. So from this modifier section, you can set all the font is times two Roman and 12. Okay. So initially you have to give the page number. So for giving page number from insert section, select page number and then bottom of page. There are different option has you can choose based on your requirement or choice. And then after giving page number, you have to separate this thesis paper in three part. So select here cursor, and there is two way to there from this layout section. From the break portion, you can press next page to create break, or there is also another option from the page setup portion. And here apply to this point forward. Then okay, there are two options for convert three part of your thesis paper. So we select here from break section to next page. You can see this is our footer section 1 and this is our footer section 2. So automatically right now our thesis paper is converted into part, and this is a blank page created here automatically. So you can select this and press backspace to delete this. So right now two we have two part, but after nomenclature section or before introduction section, we have to create another section. So after nomenclature, press here cursor and select again layout and break the next page. So here automatically a blank page created, and you have to delete this blank page. Then press backspace. Right now, this is our section 2 or part 2, and this is our section 3 or part 3. And in our first section, there is no page number, no need to page number. And from our second section, select this page number and right click and format page number. And page number is Roman number and start from here. So okay, and uncheck mark it. And for first page or title page, you can delete here. And from the introduction section, this is our part 3. So go towards introduction section. This is introduction section. Select here. Uncheck it. And the format page number is start from here 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we already set the page number and we separated in three part in our thesis paper. The next step is from this style bar, you have to create different style. Heading 1, heading 2 has, you can add some more heading from this manage style, then recommended, then press heading 2, show, heading 3, show. You can add uh, subsequently one by one, then press OK. The next step is multi-level list. Then define new multi-level list. 1, delete it. More, no need to intent space, select heading 1, and from font section, Times New Roman, bold, 12, and the font color is black. Okay. Then heading 2, delete it, and select here, press full stop. You can delete it, or if then space, this is our heading 2, and from this font color, Times New Roman, bold, 12, and the font color is black. Then okay. You need one change. Chapter. See here, uh, see the thesis paper, chapter 1, then introduction. So for that, chapter, then 3, press here, 2, point, then select here. Sorry, initially you have to select level 2, and then give a point, and then select it. Space, this is head 3 from font section, Times New Roman, bold, 12, sorry, even select 11, and the font color is black. Okay. And this is our heading 4, 2, then decimal point 3, then decimal point, and finally space. This is our heading 4, and from font section, Times New Roman, bold, 10. Okay. For figure and table, You can add to style FIG figure for figures modify times new one italic bold black automatically update. Okay. And for tables modify and declaration basis heading one. Select it. Initially you have to update board 12 like then press here right click and update. So approval, this is also heading one. Acknowledgement heading one. Abstract heading one. Sometimes after abstract section you can get Bangla abstract portion, abstract portion, table of content. This is also heading one. List of tables, list of figures, all of are heading one. Nomenclature also heading one. This is our introduction, and this is heading two. Select it, and then times new Roman 12 font size, bold, black, and then you have to date here. Select heading two, then right click, then update heading to my section. And this is our chapter 2. This is our heading 3, heading 2, result and discussion, then heading 2, and conclusion heading 2. Here is the reference. This is heading 1, appendix also heading 1. Here some subsection has, this is our figure for selecting here and press figure. But unfortunately in figure section select here figure, FIG, oh still thinking it is it okay? Figure, this is also figure. For table, where is my table? Yeah, this is a table. And for table section, select table, but here automatically came here. For deleting this, you have to modify this table section, then modify. This is no style. Then again select here, update table, select it table. Let's say this is our another table. Select it, This is another table. Select here or put here cursor, then select tables. This is our subsection, third subsection. Then choose here times new Roman 11. Then you have to modify first time. And let's say this is our heading 4. For heading 4, select heading 4 times new Roman heading 4 is 10 font. Then update heading 3. 4. Let's say this is our heading 3, heading 4. You can add heading 5, 6, 7, 8 also. Don't need it. How much heading you need? This is our heading 3, heading 3. So almost our formatting is okay. Now the step is how to update table of content, table of figure, or list of table, or list of figure automatically. So for doing this, initially you have to go the table of list of table of content, then put here cursor and select reference, and from the table of content you can select automatic table 1 or automatic table. I select automatic table 1, then here automatically table of content updated automatically. You can put here table of content. Then from home section you can give bold or Times New Roman. Then for updating list of table, select cursor here and from reference section inside table of figures, then select table. From option section select here also tables. Okay, table of figures. Here we have two table that came automatically, and then in list of figure portion select here list of figure, then here already figure has, so no problem. Then from options section also you have to select figure or check mark, you have to select or check mark this segment, and finally modify table of figures and okay. No, so here the figures came here automatically. Unfortunately here, though it is a figure, because we select here in figure here to figure not table. So in this way you can update your thesis paper, update or modify. So thank you everyone.